Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to take care of your battery on iPhone devices. Okay, so all you need to do, I have my phone already on, so all you need to do, just click into the settings app icon, select it, then scroll down a bit as you will see the battery option, click the battery type, and then you will see the battery health and charging. Just click on it, and then once you see there's the two options that you need to turn on for better battery life. So optimize battery charging to reduce battery aging. If iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% till you need to use it. Just make sure to turn it on. And the second one, clean energy charging. In your region, iPhone will try to reduce your carbon footprint by selectively charging when lower carbon emission electricity is available. Make sure to turn it on, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.